I wan really know. E get who you know wey use government money come become big man. They come. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend where you from the watch. Na me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, baby, breeder concept. I welcome on today to our channel. Say on a welcome. As you dey see this video, so hope you don't subscribe. If you never subscribe, click the subscribe button for there. May you dey subscribe. Maybe say you don't join this family. So I welcome all of una. For those ones who don't subscribe, I say all of una thumbs up, thumbs up. I beg more na dey remember dey put thumbs up for the video, more na dey share am, dey comment. Any of una opinion, more na just comment am. Write am for there, we go take know if una dey enjoy am. I know say the thumbs up dey show say the thing good, but still write your comment make we know one person no dey know finish. If you get the one wey you go just write for there now, me go just see and say, ah, na so it's still supposed be, you know. So I thank all of una as we just dey push the thing, dey go, dey move forward, dey move very fast. We thank God. It's well. And so God will still bless una, dey move on, and things dey go forward. They support una for anything one I want do. We appreciate una. Today now, we wan talk how child support dey ruin marriage for abroad. Diasporans, wetin dem dey pass through. People wey dey abroad, e get wetin dem dey call child support. For people wey dey Africa wey no know, if person born, most countries dey do am. Dem dey help the children. They go you go apply as the parent. People wey dem dey do the thing mostly to na single mothers. Na single mothers na that help really dey for more. First, you born for abroad, you no get husband. As a woman, government go take am as their responsibility to help you with your children for school, house, feeding, everything. Government will just carry am for head. If you get husband, e no dey too dey much. E get some kind thing wey dem fit do, but especially this help na for people wey be say dem no get husband. Na im dey get the most big things, and then dey pay well. So this thing come make many now dey go dey talk say dem dey single when dem no dey. And some now can't even want the single life. Single, that is they want single mother life. Because now there will be single mothers where we say now only mother they take care of pikin, now only the woman they take care of the children. Maybe the husband don't leave her, or the husband no, you know, first get husband, those kind of thing. Or the husband they late, those kind of issue. And they take the help. So but some come they take her now like advantage, say they will just go talk, they with their husband go plan, say they no, they with their husband not dey again, make the government for they do the thing for them. And this thing now, they bring problem for them. You get many stories, many videos where don't they, many people go don't see them. But I just no one play anyone for this video, because some kind of words where they use for each other, all those things. I not just want play all those rubbish, but I want talk and make we know. You where they plan to go, say you want leave your husband now, go another country, may therefore help you. Some will say, maybe your side, nah, you never reach your side, and I make you know say people they suffer. People they suffer, we know. Say people they suffer. Africa, where you for come, government no they support people. Them born how many, they see they survive. You survive from there. Government not help your mama, they not help your papa. People they government not they help them, then they survive. Why it can't be say we now come for bro, we want carry the government help for head. And the things where this thing they cause, distant marriage. The woman now go come down another country, the man go down another country, because in that country the woman leave your husband go, now they pay well, now they give them money pass, they will come go that side, go tell them say they with their husband not dey. The husband go dey another country, they say go do another country. How that marriage dey work? Tomorrow you will come and say your husband cheat or your wife cheat. Distance don dey. The man na no fit just come stay for the house. Say maybe he come cause he go dey hide because he no want make them see am. If they see am, they go stop the thing and they fit penalize the woman. E go come make how the love go take grow. People wey dey house 24 hours sef, husband and wife wey dey see their self every day. Na by God's grace, the marriage say dey dey. Na you go come carry your bag say you wan go find government support, you come leave your husband waka comot. Say na the children future. Food no dey scarce for abroad. Education for abroad no be problem for children. Wetin come be the issue? You say whether na that one you want to survive, you want get money, maybe say maybe you dey send for Africa or take dey buy things dey wear. Now you go leave your family for. Now you go break your home for. Many people dey break their home because of this ayuda wey dem dey find. Spanish people dey call am ayuda, help, child support, government help. They go dey born children, they born and put for the head of the government say na dem go train the pikin for them. Now they cause the thing. Born as you go fit train. And no matter how God now they give pikin say dem come plenty, which I know say you fit still control. But say e get as e can happen. Maybe first one you born twins, second one you say maybe you born again, you don't born twins, or e get as it happen. You understand? Not depend on government. You even get the opportunity say you die abroad. Find something do. Courses dey for abroad wey be say na free. Free courses dey. You say you not go school from Africa, okay, you can't read and write. Adult education dey. All countries get am. For that country you dey, tell them say you want go adult education. You want study. Adult class. They go start from primary self, they teach you. You go learn without the language of the country you did there. Some go just put ear for ground anywhere where government come they pay well na that side. As they reach that one, government then hear another one, they go they move. This thing they affect the children. If they make the children, if they disturb them emotionally, they go make friends this year. The next year, don't carry them come out. They don't still lose those friends. This thing go they affect the children. They know if you talk. Class where they for year, not being they go start again for the other side. They go just they move, they change language, brain go they confuse. If they say you be soldier yourself when they post up and down, you know if you still say maybe you rest for one place. Sure. So they complain, say, if we come out, our husband will carry women, our husband will do this one, do that one, the women, they go there, they cheat. How they no go cheat? How this thing no go happen? Where distance dey? You know they see you. What do you go for? When we say na office, na your working place, then post yourself. Now may you go stay. Go government go the condition your life. And this thing, this child support wahala, e still dey cause laziness. E dey make the couples dey lazy. The woman na no fit work anything again. You no wan work anything again, and government na put all your hope. Month end, make government give her that money they will give her. How many people you don't hear say this child support help? You take and build house, you take and do better things, something you can't become rich man. They can say, hey, this famous rich man now government help. Now it make her. How do they see this government help something? Be creative, do something, find something doing. If the government help wey you wan take na their free courses, do that one. No be say na that change wey dem go dey give you na you wan depend on. How long you wan depend on that money? You come make am na the woman no go fit do anything, no reason anything, even the man. All their mind na make that money come. You think say the government themselves no get sense? Another person dey work, another person dey chop am. You just stay there, they give you. No dey think and say they get plan. Why they like am make they be say na single parent? Because they know say when 2 dey, e go hard them to penetrate. But one, you not take time. Most of them they take pikin from them. They take children from them. Because you say you there alone now. When they put fire for your body 2 times, set you up, you know say man suppose dey by your side stand. I take am, dey careful. This child support something too much. And it dey cause greediness between the couples. Now this one make me even say do this video. You go see them for Facebook, for Instagram, where then they fight. And they fight for government money. The government they pay the children. Because now there both of them put their life, their future, their hope inside. They come they fight. Say the woman not give her. The woman will say, na my right. Na single mothers now they pay the money. The man will say, but me self, I still pretend say I'm not there. Disgrace with that. I make me not just want to play the video. You carry yourself from Africa, come here. Now, may government help you. Now government money, now you just depend on. You will draw map for government money. I won't really know. You get who you know where use government money come become big man. They can say, hey, this big man, this person make am for abroad, make am for Europe or anywhere. Now government money to make am child support. I take care for the way when they do this child support. Who get belle now? Some who don't want get belle, they don't find where they want wrong go. Make government help them. Where you dey, that place where you dey. Tell them say you want go school. Adult education day. Go start. You finish from the class. Now, when you don't finish, at least 1 year, you don't know how to write. You don't know how to read. You tell them say you want do course. You choose the course where you want to do. Now free, then they do. Most of them. Especially when they know say you get as your condition day. You tell them say you want to do course, which course they free? Your social. They go tell you. Say see courses where you fit do. You fit still they do other hustling. They sell things from house. You see people they do here. You go tell and say, ma they do you, give me something. Don't just depend say for abroad now only government help. No. That's in a bad spirit. And all of them when they go, they declare say they be single parents. How many get good testimony out of it? How many? Last year, na so one they use hand kill themselves because they drag money. How much they pay? All this one they talk now. People in Africa will say na one kind big money now they pay. The money no they go anywhere. You know they rich spend. They self will be the government when they give you the money. They don't calculate how you go spend the money. They will give you check. Go supermarket, buy something finish, bring the receipt. May we see say now waiting. We give you the money now you take and buy. That kind of control life. They will put money for your account. You know, even as they put the money for, as you say then they give you money for account now. Say maybe they give you 2,000 euro or 1,000 euro every month. Africa, papa, if you want go your country, you go need to tell them. Now then go tell you when you go and when you go come back. No freedom. People not fit come visit you anyhow. You not fit dress too much. You go tata dey hide, they do things because of say you know say that they watch you. How long you won't live like that? Children will see their papa for outside, they know if you call them daddy because say you don't know whether any of their spies there around. Fear no let you talk to your pikin because if you know say if you shout for her, if they ask them for school, say how it be, you just thought say mama shout for her. Now then they help you now. After you be single mother, they don't attack you, do you I know they risk on herself. Nothing come freely. Nothing. That thing wey they think say I go, they give me money. Ask people where they make them tell you waiting in their experience. Many people they get bad stories about this thing. Support. But some go want make them draw you join for inside the thing. They go tell you say good, good. When you enter thing, you can't see say the situation bad. You know our people. They'll say no be let me go suffer. Hey, come on, they pay better money for here. Then they do this one. They will say they will pay you better money. May you come. Nothing. Here where we dey, government they pay us better money. Nothing. We get freedom. Not be there where you dey that they give pay children. For here, one pikin, then they pay €1,000 every month. This one, that one. Ask the person. Then they pay them that money. Wait till you don't do come out from that money. Year to year, you go there for that help. Instead, you go to destroy your marriage, you go to destroy your life safe. Better business, you know, see the money they start. So, now they talk. The one we don't dey inside already. Plan as you go take release yourself from that bondage. Not be government. You will depend on all your life. The little way you feel safe, for the one way feel safe, start something with them. May the children get freedom. May you get freedom, get peace of mind. You where they watch, know waiting at the top. May the children, may you get peace of mind. That control too much. For you where one go, where they plan say, once I just I define where I want go born this pikin. If na person wey be say maybe you not even get the husband, maybe na get belle, nobody if he point say na him give am the belle or the man just reject and finish, you not just see how nobody to help during that during that time when you dey pregnant, you get excuse wey make you go there, you reach that place, government start to help you. Still know say when you born finish, don't negate yourself. Think of plan B to give yourself freedom. Not just relax say these people really help me, so it dey okay. And the money after that they give me the money, I use and they eat, they take care of my pikin. See, because they let you start life as they don't they control you like that. How you wanted to say you don't get husband, your husband will come, they will still continue like that. It's either you leave them and face real life, or you did there and just be like robots. They'll push you go here, they'll push you come here. That's my talk. This issue don't too much. The way they come and they fight because of money. They don't get shame at all. If you leave Africa, come Europe, come abroad, come they fight for government money. So when they come for picking money they give picking. Money when your mate go carry put for account, they keep for the picking. For in future, they hustle in normal own. They hustle in own as a parent. You own now that picking be the money making machine. Now they born more than for the meet up the grade. Tomorrow now say home problem make on a marriage not work. Home problem make you not marry. Or home problem make you all your years for abroad just waste. They collect picking for you or something. Una dey careful. Una dey careful. This life na once. No get part 2. So live your life according to the way you know say, at least by God's grace, you know say had I know. Now say my talk if you get anywhere where I talk something one and not like, wanna see push the word come out, take me on a sister, on a friend, on a girl. Wanna drop on our own comments about this issue. Wanna like, give us thumb up, share the video, subscribe. I see you in my next video.